In this next video, I want to take you to a place that roughly translates to Mother Nature's hand. It's just outside of Kash, Turkey, and you're gonna love it. So stick around. Hey there, Ralph Velasco of the Continental Drifter, where I share simple but powerful tips designed to make your travels easier and your photography even better. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and know that everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. All right, let's do this. Our friend Noor, a local businesswoman in Kash, takes me to her girlfriend's place for the most incredible breakfast I think I've ever had. Her and her team have created a peaceful place to enjoy a traditional Turkish breakfast that is simply out of this world.
My name's Guzin.
Guzin? Ralph, I'm Ralph, and this is Lika.
Guzin and Noor patiently answer all my questions and explain each and every dish, which sit on a large table in the restaurant's kitchen, awaiting to be distributed to this morning's lucky patrons. As they say, first you eat with your eyes, and the presentation is simply gorgeous. There are marmalades, jams, and other spreads made from apples, berries, pomegranates, and other fruits and vegetables picked just days ago. Walnuts and tahine, a local staple found in every kitchen and made by grinding roasted sesame seeds into an oily and tasty spread. The storage room, only open to a lucky few with connections, like me today, is neat as a pin and beautifully organized.
How long have you been doing this?
6 years.
6 years, okay.
5 years, 6 years. This is jam. This group, jam. Gel Şükrancığım, gel.
Homemade pastas are infused with a number of herbs and spices and sold to local patrons. A look outside the storage room window to the open-air garden shows where patrons can enjoy an unforgettable meal, and on this particular day it's only locals and us.
So we're about to have the most amazing meal right now. This is a...
This is a cheese table.
A variety of cheeses purchased from vendors at the Friday market in Kash make up beautifully arranged cheese plates. And there are always the obligatory plates of fresh tomatoes and cucumbers that actually have flavor and crunch with each and every bite. There are dishes full of herbs and other greens from Guzin's own garden, and omelets made from eggs traded with the neighbors for any number of products that Guzin and her team create. And in Turkey, no meal would be complete without offering a variety of thick and juicy olives. Of course, there's honey sourced directly from local beekeepers. And finally, no Turkish meal would be complete without a variety of freshly made breads and thick and rich Turkish coffee.
So you can see we've got this amazing breakfast laid out. This woman has a organic little farm, buys everything locally sourced, and I don't know about you, but I would hate to have to do the dishes here.
Pomegranates grow on Guzin's backyard trees, and peppers are hung out to dry and used to spice up some dishes.
Thanks to our good friend Noor, who has introduced us to this place, which is owned by one of her old girlfriends. So thank you, Noor, for bringing us here.
Hi, thank you so much. I like to meet you for food again and again. So
this is about our 5th meal together.
and now we had some season food actually. So it depends on the season. Food changes maybe.
Right. So everything's seasonal. Whatever's ripe that time of year is what the menu is going to be, more or less, right? Okay, so we just finished the most wonderful breakfast. Absolutely fantastic. And this is the aftermath. We hardly made a dent, but absolutely enjoyed everything. And I want to thank you, Noor, so much.
It was my pleasure to have you here.
This was an experience I never would have found on my own. Only because we met Noor were we able to even know about this experience. It was absolutely fantastic, so thank you. When I bring my group back here, we're absolutely going to eat at Mother Nature's hand for sure. This has been fantastic, so thanks again. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications. Look around the channel. Find some other videos you might like. Share it on with other people who may be interested. And also, get over to the continentaldrifter.co website. Join our Facebook group. And remember, drifters, life's too short not to travel.